Hi, this is Edward again, and today we are going to talk about the world was created by God. The world was created by God. Religious blog. Without mass preambles, let's start. The Holy Bible has enough information to know how was the earth created and who created it. The book of Genesis is characterized by an impressive move from the universal towards and the personal and specific, sorry. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1 till 11 and 26 focus on upon ancient story and describe the origins of humanity. Let's analyze the first chapter of Genesis. Chapter 1, verse 1. Okay, let's read it. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. And the earth was without form and void, and the darkness was upon the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the water. And God said, let there be light. And there was light. And God saw the light that it was good. And God divided the light from the darkness. And God called the light day. And the darkness he called night. And the evening and the morning were the first day. And God said, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let divide the water from the waters. And God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament. And it was so. And God called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day. And God said, let the water under the heaven be gathered together into one place, and let the dry land appear. And it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathered together of the water he called sea. And God saw that it was good. Thanks. That's all. And I'm going to finish with the last part. And the last part says, this verse let us that God created the heaven and the earth, also all those things that we can see around us. Is there any doubt about who created the world? I don't think so. God is creator. Finally, what do you think about it? Tell us, leave your commentaries. Thanks.